not contain the not yesterday on Friday user shared one mail, right? This Naveen user in that host names does not contain the DMZ. So for all the DMZ host, uh, it will have the DMZ in its host name. So how you verified the host names or host name in the attached file? Is it in mail or?
Yeah, shared mail actually. That is check them.
Okay. And just today I connect with him if he is online.
మనకు నువ్వేంది ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి మా ఇంటికి
Suresh Kumar,
ఆఫీస్ లాగా ఉంది.
cache installation was failed.
Yeah, this is our same 40443 error, right? Connection timer.
Yeah.
Then share the debug mode. So many users is reporting this issue, is it? Yeah, one more user also, I think. It also same Ravindranath Rajavardhan. Just ping. We requested to share last week.
Yeah. Host name blocks. Yeah.
Yeah, for me, he shared logs, but as per cache section, all got success, no error in cache.
Yeah, he informed the same, but we need to check why the JVM is not getting started.
Yeah,
Is it application? Is it application specific? We'll throw some exception. User share the logs, then we can check and guide on that how to fix that exception.
Yeah, in Ansible log there is no error. We'll ask logs and check.
Okay.
This user will confirm application enable that upgrading.
Okay.
Maybe tomorrow it will confirm.
Okay.
I shared Docker file.
Yeah,
I
that is not. Yeah.
advise to use the instead of this one, use latest and right. You will
No.
update.
We have discussed yesterday that it is parsing error. Parsing error means application code will be executed. If execution not happen with the parsing error means they have to check the application. There is no issue with the Tomcat. Even if the user share the logs also, if the Tomcat instance started, if you see that log in the log means there is no issue with our Tomcat. So it's application specific issue. It's not Tomcat.
Okay, we'll inform the same user.
Yeah. can close that ticket also.
Yeah.
I'm mentioning it's an application related to the. Please try with working one.
Unable to access the URL. Uh, after
They are able to access, but slowness, I think. So,
So after commenting headers, they are able to access it.
still
no,
after
previously also it's working fine, but they said it's slowness in getting as per description.
Okay.
after migrating to Tomcat.
So slowness is it at web layer or okay?
Yeah, it will play. Sorry, advice to comment this address.
No. That slowness means the different parameters. Some different parameters is there. Slightly as we have to modify, increase to handle the request, and also we based on the load we need to modify. If the load is normal means any requests are getting blocked and whether it is blocking that needs to be checked and fixed. If it is suppose 1 GB RAM is there, if one request is taking around 10 MB, so it can handle max 100 requests if it is blocking. So whatever that 101 request, then it will not work because no memory is left. If one of the requests release the memory, then it will serve 101. Needs to be checked. Let them share history.conf. We'll see, and by comparing it with our history.conf, and we'll suggest if any difference. Okay, user shared on conf.
Yeah, I shared it.
Which, if possible, compare it, Anand. Okay, if you have Apache 7.
Okay.
And does user shared application URL? No,
No,
right?
no.
Yeah, ask them to share so that we also can debug in our browser where it is blocking.
BPM failure, but BPM is success. That's server, but not sure what user is looking for.
Okay, if BCM all are success means have you verified the CVMP report which they have received when it was last reported?
No.
Yeah, you can advise that as all the BCM check is success, you can ask them to rescan and check the latest BCM report to close it. But this user also reported some BCM, right? After commenting the SSL1, it was working after reboot. He is facing some different issue. Mail chain is
Uh,
there.
yeah, yes, okay. Once we commented this load module, IHS was able to start, and then for some reason, server got rebooted. After that, it changed. I mean, it changed back to uncommented. Then again, we commented this load module, and IHS was started. So we
Yeah,
asked.
this Cypress we should verify in the latest SSL.conf. They just showing throwing in the hes.conf one more ssl.conf we will include, right?
Yeah,
So here it is throwing SSL Cypress specific. So what Cypress they have configured that we need to check and we need to uh, advise them to correct it. It belongs to which environment?
exactly.
Period.
Yeah, that Cypress we need to check and guide them. Is it already advised?
Or we can advise like Cypher's update cache action is there, right?
Yeah, that also you can do, but they need to change. We have to, before that we need to just verify and suggest the same thing to update Cypress cache action.
The user cast job is in hung state is submitting job through webmap tool.
While it's taking 2 hours is the webmap tool.
Mhm.
So we advise to, but user said, is there any cancel option webmap while running that? But we advise to resubmit the cache action through cache, not webmap. While if
Who
in
is,
case
yeah, who is the user name?
Sri Harsh, Sri Harsh.
Previously also we received similar kind of request, right? They are facing some issue whenever they submit it from webmap portal. But the same it is working fine with whenever they submit CAS action, right? In our CAS portal. Last time advise them to submit the CAS action. If it is a new setup, advise them to do cleanup and they submit the CAS action is in CAS portal. Is it a
Yeah, new setup.
new setup? Okay. So fast and take.